Hey everyone, today we are making bookshelves to hang on the wall. Let's get into it. First, let's pull up Tinkercad. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. The design is super clean and easy. First, I'm grabbing a box and I'm just going to flatten it down to make it nice and thin. Now I'm stretching it out to make a large board. And finally, I am taking it a bit. Base is ready. Now I'm grabbing another box for the script hole. I'm moving the box to the board and checking the center, then I'm making it thinner. Now I'm increasing the height a little bit. Wait, I made it a bit too tall. Let me stretch it out to size now. I'm just fixing the size. Yes, now it looks great. I'm taking a hose cylinder, shorting and rotating 90. And now placing it right in the center. I'm still working on it. Design is finished, selecting everything and grouping it all together. And here it is, our 3D model is ready. Exporting as STL and we are done. It opens automatically in the slicer anyway. Yeah. Waiting for it to open. It's normally opens faster, but we are waiting. More waiting. And now 3D model is ready. The base could have been a bit thicker, but this works. Welcome to part 2. Now we are making it with two screws. Everything is the same, we are just adding one more screw. Now we are selecting this part and duplicating it. This way with two screws it's much more solid. You know the rest, click export and download STL. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any design requests, just let me know in the comments. See you in the next design. Bye for now.